All right. So yeah, hi guys, my name is Frazer, and I will be letting you know, guys, how to prepare for LRDI, in particularly for CAT. So yeah, as you guys know, LRDI is a section in CAT, and unlike quants and VRC, in LRDI there is no particular syllabus as of such. In quants we know there is a syllabus, there is a set of questions which come not but exactly the questions but set of topics from which the questions that prepares questions. Similarly for VRC we know that 2 by third of the questions come from RC, and the rest comes from para jumbles, para summary, yeah, similarly that type of questions. But for LRDI there is no syllabus as such. Yeah, there are some questions which repeat, but only the idea of it is repeated. No particular question repeats. So there is no way we can train or we can predict what the questions might come. Only thing which we can do is we can practice. And what we should practice is the how to make the bent of mind to solve that questions. Like we should yeah, what to mean, yeah, we should be like how to solve a question if from different ways. We, for example, if we are solving a question, and we are not able to solve it, we should not jump in right into the solution. We should try all other ways. When everything is not working, we should like sleep over it. And even then if it's not working, then even then we should not see the solution. We should just check the steps of the solution and try to solve it. Yeah, so and one more thing is, if your RC or English is good, your comprehension skills will be better. And if you can comprehend the LRDI question well, then of course you will be good in solving the LRDI question. Yeah, so there are two parts in LRDI. One is logical reasoning, other is data interpretation. For data interpretation, I would say if your speed maths is well, like if you know the tables from 1 to 30, the cubes and square roots and squares from 1 to 30, your DIF is good to go. Like it will save a lot of time for you, and to interpret the data and what to tackle this section, it is quite good. And for logical reasoning, it's all the bent of mind. You should put yourself in such situations which challenge your bent of mind, and to comprehend the logical questions and to answer them regularly, and you should do that in regular intervals. According to me, there is no coaching which helps you in LRDI. It's just you and the previous year question papers, previous year sets, that's all. If you want someone who teaches quite well, I guess only the YouTube videos are quite sufficient. Highlights grade YouTube videos are very high level. You can also check the previous year questions and the analysis of them from various coaching sites, in it's free on YouTube. Yeah, that's it for LRDI, guys. LRDI is basically how good you are, how smart you are, that's it. And yeah, if no, you can nobody can prepare you for LRDI, guys. It's just you and your sheer amount of practice you do. Yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I will, yeah, so a brief about me. I am Frazer. I'm preparing for CAT 2024, and I am journaling my journey to CAT 2024 from day one to the day I reach into the B school. My dream B school is IRMA, and I will upload daily videos recording my day-to-day journey and daily updates, so you guys can follow me and subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, like it, do whatever you want. Yeah, that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Peace.